everyone, just a quick video today, just on the recent purchase. This is a Raleigh Torus LX, titanium frame, spinner forks. It's all original apart from the wheels. So I paid £100 for the frame and all its components. Condition is unbelievable for a 1993, I think. Beautiful colour. LX gears, LX brakes, Ritchie headset. As you can see there, the Raleigh Dyna tech stick out the front. All the stickers are lacquered over apart from that one at the front there. It's got the little gold sticker down there to say that it was sold as a complete bike, not just a frame. But it's absolutely stunning. Beautiful colour. Spinner forks. Titanium handlebars, just a bit dusty. Just doesn't look like it's been used. Literally no wear on the teeth, just a small sign of some chain grease. Even some new old stock tyres just to set it off. Like I said, the wheels are not original, they're just something I've put on, and unfortunately they was missing for some strange reason. But on the seat post, I think it would have had a Dynatech post, the sign running down there. The seat, of course, is not original. Absolute beaut. Rare to find in that condition, or rare to find at all, really. Something I'm going to struggle to part with. £100 was an absolute bargain. You couldn't buy the frame on its own for that. Probably one or two little tiny marks. That chip there and one on the other side. My something's fell on it by the looks of it. But like I say, it's just a quick video showing you what I'd bought recently. I'd actually gone to look at some wheels from somebody I'd bought stuff off in the past, and they just mentioned, while you're here, do you want to look at the bike, a bike? And I said, yeah, I'll have a look. And they brought this out and I just couldn't believe it. I said, how much? I said 100. Didn't even haggle, it was just absolute bargain. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Until next time, goodbye.